Welcome back to my channel. When it comes to luxury, engineering, and timeless prestige, very few brands stand as tall as Mercedes-Benz. But the upcoming 2026 Mercedes ultra-luxury C-Class takes the brand's design language and technology philosophy to an entirely new level. This isn't just a refreshed model, it is a bold vision for the future of premium sedans. The car reflects the perfect blend of futuristic design, advanced electrification, and high-class comfort. In this complete 1,400-word review, we take a detailed look at the design, performance, technology, interior, safety, comfort, and overall driving experience of this stunning next-generation luxury sedan. Futuristic exterior. Where art meets engineering. One glance at the 2026 Mercedes ultra-luxury C-Class is enough to tell you that this vehicle belongs to the future. Its exterior design is bold, dominant, and strikingly elegant. A massive vertical luxury grille. The most eye-catching part of the front design is the gigantic vertical chrome grille. Its presence is powerful and instantly recognizable. The iconic Mercedes star in the center enhances the premium look and defines the car's identity. Razor-sharp LED headlights. The front fascia features extremely thin, blade-style LED headlights, giving the sedan a very sharp and high-tech appearance. These lights are adaptive, meaning they automatically adjust brightness and shape based on speed, environment, and road conditions. Aerodynamic perfection. The aerodynamic design is one of the main highlights. Smooth flowing body lines. Hidden electronic door handles. Sculpted bonnet. Air-efficient front splitter. Low drag coefficient. Everything is optimized to deliver maximum performance, better efficiency, and a silent ride. Artistic turbine alloy wheels. The wheels are nothing short of a modern masterpiece. With a turbine-inspired pattern, they add a futuristic personality to the car. These wheels are designed to improve airflow, reduce turbulence, and enhance road grip. Interior. And private luxury lounge on wheels. Step inside the 2026 ultra-luxury C-Class and the experience completely transforms. The cabin feels more like a modern executive lounge than a regular sedan. Ambient lighting that sets the mood. The futuristic interior lighting system offers over 64 ambient color combinations, creating a stunning atmosphere inside the cabin. The purple-blue ambient lighting visible in the concept brings a calming and premium aura, especially at night. Seats built for supreme comfort. Mercedes has always put comfort first. The new C-Class elevates it even further with ventilated seats, heated seats, massage functions, memory settings, wrapped premium leather. The seats are designed to support your spine and body posture for long drives, ensuring zero fatigue. A panoramic glass cabin. The full panoramic glass roof creates a bright and airy environment. It brings more natural light inside and gives passengers a feeling of premium openness. Craftsmanship and materials. Every surface feels rich and detailed. A soft touch leather, brushed aluminum, polished chrome, and high-quality finishing. This sedan proves that true luxury lies in the fine details. Technology. Infotainment and the brain of the future. The 2026 Mercedes ultra-luxury C-Class works like an intelligent digital assistant on wheels. Hyperscreen 2.0 futuristic control hub. A large 14.8-inch curved hyperscreen stretches across the dashboard, creating a seamless and cinematic display. It offers 3D navigation, augmented reality heads-up display, eye-powered gesture control, advanced voice command, "Hey Mercedes," live traffic prediction, OTA, over-the-air, software updates, personalized user settings. The hyperscreen continuously learns from the driver's habits and adjusts climate control, lighting, seat position, and infotainment preferences automatically. Sound system. A studio-grade audio. A premium, multi-speaker, immersive 3D sound system makes every song feel like a live concert inside the cabin. Performance is silent, strong, and electrifying. Mercedes aims to offer the ultra-luxury C-Class in multiple configurations, including a fully electric version. While official specifications are yet to be confirmed, industry reports and early leaks give a strong preview. Electric variant, expected. 0 to 100 km/h in approximately 4.2 seconds. Dual-motor AWD system. Power output, 400 to 450 horsepower. Range, 620 to 700 km per charge. 110 kWh next-gen solid-state battery, rumored. 20-minute fast charging from 0 to 80%. The electric version promises near-silent driving, rapid acceleration, and exceptional range. Hybrid version, expected. Turbocharged 2.0 liters engine. Electric motor assist. Combined output, 380 plus HP. Smooth, economical drive. This variant is ideal for those who prefer a mix of combustion engine refinement and electric efficiency. Safety a Mercedes' strongest priority. Mercedes leads the luxury segment in safety innovation. The 2026 ultra-luxury C-Class pushes these boundaries even further. Level 3 autonomous driving. The car can handle driving tasks such as lane changes, slow-moving traffic navigation, and steering assistance without manual input. AI-based collision prediction. Using millions of data points per second, the car predicts possible collision risks before they occur and reacts instantly. 368 degrees LiDAR plus radar shield. A combination of LiDAR, cameras, and radar sensors creates an invisible protective bubble around the car to eliminate blind spots. Auto Park Pro. The vehicle can automatically park self-parallel or perpendicular with just one button. Emergency driver assist. If the driver becomes unresponsive, the car slows down, alerts nearby vehicles, and safely pulls over. Comfort Ride Quality a Magic Carpet Experience. The 2026 C-Class features Active Air Suspension 2.0, one of the most advanced suspension systems in its class. This system reads the road ahead using sensors, adjusts the suspension within milliseconds, reduces bumps and vibration, keeps the car stable at high speeds. The result is a ride that feels incredibly smooth, quiet, and luxurious, alike floating on a magic carpet. Pricing expected launch. Mercedes hasn't announced official pricing, but analyst estimates suggest. Base model, $65,000 to $75,000. Electric model, $85,000 to $95,000. AMG Performance Variant, $120,000 plus. The global launch is expected around late 2025 or early 2026. A new king of luxury sedans? Absolutely. The 2026 Mercedes ultra-luxury C-Class is shaping up to become one of the most advanced, luxurious, and futuristic sedans ever built. With striking futuristic design, high-performance electric powertrain, ultra-premium interior, AI-based technology, advanced safety features, traditional Mercedes elegance. A broken bar, it stands out as a masterpiece that could easily dominate the luxury sedan market in 2026. For buyers who want luxury, innovation, comfort, and next-generation tech all in one package, this car is nothing less than the perfect choice.